TRX, we start with 1 hour chart. If we refer to our analysis, when the price was within this move, we mentioned we can look for buy, and this is what we get. And now we move to next correction. Now we want to see how we can, how we can trade it. Actually, from now, any correction we get, we look for buy. The only thing is we need to have a proper management, okay? But the question is how deep this correction can be. All right. First of all, we start with daily chart. Maybe we refer to weekly because as we can see based on weekly chart, the price broke the previous top. Now the question is whether the price can retest this top or not, because this is what we're looking for. Because we don't have any previous top to break. The only thing is the highest price. Okay. And that's why from now, if we get any correction, we take the trade, but we need to be quite careful. And if we refer to the daily chart, this is what we get. That's why we can expect the correction for continuation. Rather than that, we have nothing to explain. And even if we move to forward chart, this is what we have it. Now we want to see how complex can be this correction before we get the next move. This is the things we need to be quite careful. Can be this one turn to a correction similar to what we have here or not? Okay. And the MACD doesn't show us anything, but this one almost we have a divergence. But as I explained, we're looking for the correction to look for continuation. And even if we move to 15-minute, 1 hour chart, MACD doesn't show us anything, but what we have here, we see the divergence, right? That's why we get this correction. And now want to see how complex can be this correction. And if we want to look for trade, the best thing is this one drop a bit more. Then any breakout, if this one turn to a correction similar to what we have here, any breakout, we can look for buy. That's why, or any sharp move with the flag, if the price broke this one. The only thing is we're looking for buy. The only thing is how complex can be this correction. Any buy setup from here, we will take it. And after that, the only thing is we need to have a proper management. And we have nothing else to explain. The only thing is we're looking for buy. If we get any trade setup, we take the trade. And if what we expect for the next move, we're looking for the sharp move similar to what we have here. Mostly when we have these things, we can wait for the correction, we get the trade. When the price, what we expect then a sharp move, as I explained, similar to what we have here. Then when the price move for the correction, the second correction, the next correction, then this is where we can move our stop loss to break even for the previous trade. By the way, we're looking for buy, and only again, we want to see how we can trade it and how deep this correction can be. In this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.